Hey guys, today I want to share how to use Codex and Bear to automatically make plans and review them. I often put temporary ideas, tasks in my Bear application, in my Bear to-do list, just like this, right? Today, tomorrow, and some of ideas just for the future, right? Things like this. And after a few weeks or maybe a few days, the list become messy. Every morning, I need to spend a lot of time to finding and what is really important and urgent. And weekly review is also difficult because real life never follows the plan exactly. And there are always changes and delays and expected things. So I ask myself, can Codex help me automatically to plan and reviews even if it only solves 70% of problem, but it is still very variable for me. Okay, let's look at Codex. My idea is very simple. Bear is still there, and it's still where I write tasks and ideas, and Google Calendar is where I keep fixed time, events. And for Codex, read both of them and create a clearly plan for me. It does not so perfect. It just helped me to save time and focus on the right things every morning, right? Codex create a daily plan in Bear for me, and it track today's calendar, and then it reads my Bear to-do notes, especially tomorrow, this week, and this month, things like this, right? Tomorrow and this week and this month. And based on this kind of information, it will create a new note for me, things like this, every morning, right? Just like this. Urgent and important thing, important and optional things, and things like they will give you some notes. And every Monday, Codex create a weekly plan for me. Weekly plan, here is the weekly plan. And at the beginning of every month, right, it create a monthly plan for me. Here is the monthly plan, right? And I will show you, you can see the weekly plan and monthly plan. The weekly plan helps me choose what to focus on this week, and the monthly plan helps me choose the bigger direction. And I know planning is not enough. I also need review, right? So every Sunday, Codex create a weekly reviews at the end of each month, right? And it create monthly review too. And here is monthly review. You can see this. It will read my daily notes, calendar, and to-do notes, and curious notes, and journal. Then it summarizes what I finished and what I change. You can see the weekly review, right? And monthly reviews. That means they summarize what I finished, what changes, and what problem I appeared, and what I should focus on for next week or next month. Right? You can see the relationship and social life, health, and lifestyle, things like this, all kind of stuff. And next month, what I should focus on, right? Anyway, this is my Codex and Bear planning system. Bear is my source of truth, and Codex helps me turn mass tasks in daily, weekly, and monthly plan. Then it helps me review what actually happened. For me, this is not about building a perfect productivity system. It's about save time, protecting attention, and making better decisions every day. Thanks for watching. I hope today's sharing inspire you.